Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this fake reflection shadow sort of effect for your videos on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select my video, right click copy, right click paste. On the second video you're just going to select cutout and you're going to select auto cutout, and then go and rotate that twice and not reverse it, mirror it, and you're just going to place it down. Wait, is this correct? Yeah. Just place it like that, and you'll have this reflection one, which is good. If you want to do just like a shadow, like a full-on shadow, you can just select this one and go to adjustments and put the saturation all the way down, put the brightness all the way down, and also the contrast as well, the highlight, the shadow, and the illumination. And just try to make it as dark as possible if you can. If it's not giving enough, like just right click and then create compound clip, and then you can add even more darkness here, like in contrast, as you can see. And if it's too like dark, you can let me go to video and adjust the opacity a little bit so it looks like kind of like a shadow. That's it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.